Sometimes a job comes along that nobody else wants. And you look at it and you think to yourself, a person would have to be crazy to take on that mess. Then something inside grabs you and you think to yourself, sure, it's a dirty, thankless job, but somebody has to do it. I'm BugeyeBob, and this is one of those jobs. Okay, this is the jack that comes with the Bugeye Sprite. Its base is roughly 3 inches wide. Now, it sticks in this little hole on the side, and you crank like hell, and it lifts up both ends of the car at once. Right now the engine's out, so it's going to lift the front end up first. But as you can see, front end's off the ground. Rear end isn't. I weigh about the same as the motor does in this thing. So what happens when I put my weight on it? You can see that the rear wheel comes up off the ground. But that's not quite far enough to get anything done. So now, if you watch real close, you'll notice that as I crank, the bottom of this thing is shifting all over hell. And so I'll put my weight on it. And you notice that it's kind of rocking all over the place. And that's what's likely to happen. So, are we going to use that to jack up the car? Hell no, we're not. Because we're a little bit smarter than that. I can't imagine jacking up a car on the edge of a road to change a flat tire with that damn thing. Even if you carried massive blocks of timber with you to block the tires with. Let's look at a better way of doing it. A little light, got a little camera action. So, what do I want? This right under, shit. Can't get under there, can I? Yeah, maybe I can right there. See if we can flip this down. Get up. If we're lucky, you can see that I'm just barely catching the nut on that one side. And hopefully I'm clearing the tire on this side. Because that's what we're going with, folks. That is it. All right. Tighten the jack down. There. Can't see very well. Run the jack up. Someday it will hit and pick the car up. There we go. So we'll take this around a little bit here so I get a longer stroke of the jack. That looks good to me. Come around here. Give us a little tilt back so we can see better. Grab my air thingy. I've already loosened the lug nuts up. Oops, wrong way. One, two. Come on. Get the hell out of there. 3, 4. That tire over to the side because that is probably one of the only ones on this thing that's any damn good. Now, let's do a quick inspection in here. Rubber mounts out of the drag link there. The springs are, I believe, 12 leaf and held on by a big goddamn bolt on one end. Let's see all the crap that's inside of this tire well. Looks like somebody paved it. That's probably exactly what happened. Just for the hell of it, I'm going to measure the width of that. Set of springs. They say if you can to keep the original springs because it's 12 leaf and the replacement ones that they make now are 10 leaf. But the 10 leaves, for some reason, changed the right angle. Let's see if I can get the light. Throw the light around a little bit, maybe it'll work better. Come on, damn it. Sit right there. That is about 2 13/16 inches wide for the springs. Okay. Yep, gotta throw the light. You can't just let it sit. Come on, damn it, get over here. That thing's supposed to stick on there. I guess that doesn't. Alright. Got a bunch of shit on the ground, which of course is even better. That stuff out of the way. Roll the new tire around. Line it up. Sorry, son. Turn my air impact down and rattle them on. I'll never make it at NASCAR, but I got it done. Drop it down gently. out. And shut off the video. Okay, folks, that's it for this episode of BugeyeBob. I really appreciate you watching and hope that, like me, you've learned a few things during this episode. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video and share it with others. You can help support this project by becoming a member at Patreon. Patreon members get early access to the videos, and in the future there will be Q&A sessions and other live streams for Patreon members. You can follow the project on YouTube and Facebook at the links below. Once again, thank you for supporting this channel, and remember, sometimes the most important job you can do is a dirty, thankless job.